Are your Tesla Model 3 doors unlocking unexpectedly? It's a common issue related to auto unlock and walkaway lock features. These features use proximity sensors and software to automatically lock and unlock your doors based on your key fob's location. But sometimes glitches or incorrect settings can cause them to malfunction. We'll explore how to diagnose and fix this issue, ensuring your Model 3 stays secure. Tesla's auto unlock feature is designed for convenience. It automatically unlocks your doors when your key fob or phone is within 5 to 10 feet of the vehicle. This works with your Tesla keycard or phone app, detecting the device through Bluetooth signals. The system uses proximity sensors to ensure secure and automatic access. The walkaway lock feature provides security by automatically locking all doors after you exit the vehicle and walk away. It typically activates within 30 seconds of leaving the area. You can customize these features through your Tesla's touchscreen. Navigate to Controls, then Locks to adjust auto unlock and walkaway lock settings according to your preferences. Understanding how these features are supposed to work is the first step in troubleshooting when they don't. Before diving into complex solutions, start with basic troubleshooting. First, try a simple software reboot by holding down both steering wheel buttons until the screen goes black. Next, check your auto unlock and walkaway lock settings to ensure they are configured correctly. Disable and re-enable them to reset the functions. Also, ensure your phone's Bluetooth is active and that the Tesla app has the necessary permissions. If a reboot and settings check doesn't resolve the door unlocking issues, the next step is to ensure your Tesla Model 3's software is up to date. Tesla frequently releases over-the-air updates that address bugs and improve vehicle performance. Access the Software menu on your vehicle's touchscreen. Here you can check for available updates and install them directly. The touchscreen interface makes this process straightforward and user-friendly. These over-the-air updates specifically target issues like unexpected door unlocking, often caused by software glitches or sensor calibration problems. Installing the latest firmware can resolve many persistent issues without needing to visit a service center. If software updates don't solve the problem, consider having the door sensors recalibrated at an authorized Tesla service center. This is particularly recommended for Model 3 vehicles manufactured before 2022, as they may have hardware variations that require professional adjustment. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Tesla Model 3 doors are still unlocking unexpectedly, it's time to contact Tesla service. There may be a hardware issue with the door sensors or the locking mechanism itself. Common hardware problems include faulty proximity sensors, worn locking mechanisms, or issues with the key fob that software updates can't resolve. Tesla offers free diagnostic services at their service centers to identify the exact problem. Their technicians can recalibrate sensors, replace faulty components, and perform professional repairs. The future of Tesla Model 3 security focuses on advanced AI and biometric features to prevent door unlocking issues. Tesla is currently piloting facial recognition unlocks in select vehicles, which will reduce reliance on proximity sensors that sometimes cause false unlocks. Biometric security offers multiple authentication methods, including iris scanning for eye recognition, fingerprint detection, and voice pattern analysis, providing more reliable access control compared to traditional key fobs. Future software updates will incorporate predictive AI algorithms that can detect unusual activity around the vehicle, automatically triggering secure locking through the Tesla app to prevent unauthorized access. These innovations aim for a zero-touch security experience, with ultra-wideband technology enabling precise key detection and quarterly over-the-air updates ensuring ongoing improvements. Industry trends show over 70% of electric vehicles adopting similar advanced passive entry systems by 2030. To prevent future unlocking issues, always keep your Tesla's software updated. Regular updates include security patches that fix bugs and improve the locking system. Regularly review and adjust your vehicle's settings to ensure optimal security. Check the Controls menu for lock preferences and disable any features that might cause unintended unlocking. Be mindful of potential sources of electromagnetic interference that can affect your key fob or sensors. Keep other electronic devices away from your vehicle and avoid crowded Bluetooth environments. For enhanced security, consider enabling the Require Key to Unlock feature. This prevents automatic unlocking and requires manual key confirmation for access. Stay informed about Tesla's latest software updates and security features through the Tesla app or official website. New updates often include improved locking mechanisms and bug fixes. If problems persist despite these preventive measures, consult Tesla's online resources or visit a service center for expert assistance. Professional help can diagnose hardware issues and ensure your vehicle remains secure.